Hey guys, from WWE. I've got the WWE Championship belt. This is the championship belt. It's pretty cool, pretty detailed. It shines a lot really well. It's made of plastic, it's not metal, but it's got the WWE logo on it. Become the champion. Taking a look at the back. There's kids using it, wearing it, looking cool. It's pretty awesome. It slips on. You can wear it over your shoulder, around your waist, just like the champs do. Anyways, yeah, that's the WWE Championship belt.